Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and in this lecture we are going to learn a little bit more about telling someone's name. You already know that when asking or answering a question about someone's name, we use the word zovut, and this is a verb that literally means they call. And you already know the forms как тебя зовут and меня зовут, so on and so forth. And we can use the same construction for anyone. And when we have a noun instead of a pronoun, the construction is как зовут, and then the person you're asking about in the accusative. So we could say, как зовут твою маму? What is your mother's name? Literally, how do they call your mother? But как зовут твою маму? What is your mother's name? Or как зовут эту студентку? What is this female student's name? Or how do they call this female student? And then when we answer the question, как зовут, we're going to have the person in the accusative again, plus зовут, and then their name in the nominative. For example, мою маму зовут Марта. My mother's name is Marta. Эту студентку зовут Света. This student's name is Sveta. And that's all there is to it.